This is our safety. The first thing is we have a LiDAR, SICK LiDAR, which as you can see has a 3D field where it will trip if I step into it and reset when I step out. It's marked by these red lines. We also have physical barriers here so that people can't reach in. We have warning signs, obviously, to warn people. And then we also have an e-stop here and on the main control panel. And there's also one behind the work cell on the robot itself.
This is our pneumatic gripper. It's got a suction cup on the bottom here, with powered by a vacuum gripper, which is up here. Basically, this just will pick up any of the items that we put in here, the floppy, the CD, or the paper, and yeah, and it carries it to its location. This is our CD stamper fixture. The robot here will bring the CD over into this onto this shoe. It will fall down the shoe, and the CD will land right on top of that drop hole right there. The cylinder will smash the CD, and the cylinder will retract. These three air hoses right here will blow air into the box, blowing the fragments down into the bin.
Alright, electricity comes through these wires and turns on these valves, turning on either the air hose or the cylinder.
This is the electromagnet. It runs on 12 volt DC to the transformer, then runs to the relay in which it is turned on and off through 120 AC.
This is our paper shredder. The robot will bring its arm with its payload. It will come up, come around, it will drop the paper or press it down, then it will twist it, and then that will force the paper into the edge of the shredder. That will then go in, because we have it constantly on forward, as you can see here, but it's turned on with a relay down there.
This is our main operator box. We've got double up start, we've got an e-stop, MCR on and off, and a power off button. We've got 15 lights, all 24 VDC, and we've got a gauge to tell how much air pressure we're using, if and any. And here we've got it pretty nicely set up, I guess. Air pressure, the inputs, and then we have a strip of relays right here, which controls all of the lights, magnets, and cylinders, air hose, everything. This right here would be the back panel. It's a quick mount where we just mounted everything up there because we had no more room. And it basically has the vision system and LiDAR relay. This is how the computer controls everything on the work cell. Run it through a series of inputs and outputs right here. Goes to wires which are let out. We've got our main circuit breaker right here, a fuse, and our transformer to turn on 24 VDC, which is very important. All the wires are run out through a hole back there and a hole back there.
Yeah, turn it up, though. Yeah, come on. Anyway, 1, 2, what you gonna do? 2, 3, what you gonna be? Come on now. Come on now. Yo, provoke emotions when I'm boasting and bragging. Just imagine hard clapping linguistic assassin about to shake the world up. Slam it to the flow bus. You heard of us. Real niggas, we blow the world up. Rip off the planet. Take it for granted when I manage with that home team advantage. Automatic rhyme bandit. About to hand it cause you cram to understand it. When I land it, open-handed. I'm a transatlantic slave. With that old black magic. Got the hat from the demo to the master. Some brothers try to strike but like the fire of disaster. I'm the chainsaw massacre. Rain, raw, acid dust. Downshift, pump your brakes, ease off the clutch. We f it up when we conduct. Load your pistol up, put this verbal in your mouth until I bust it up. And let this jam tell you who the f I am. Original black man from the Balali, Sudan. It's like that, y'all. So go ahead and get up. This is the future sound. Without further ado,
you don't see us, but we see you.
Either you're here to teach or you're here to be taught. If you don't plan to get away, then you plan to get caught. I was born to win, that's why I run, don't walk. South Central MC, what the f you thought? I set the first verse up, similar to a stakeout. The minute that they break out, they sing Jake out. But I'm super laxative and I don't need no practice. kids, you're probably wondering what track this is.
So carry on with that twisted ass street rap. I ride for peace, but I will contradict that. Slap any rapper that act like you really want it. I'ma hand him his hat.
So act like you want it, but don't get loud. And you haven't seen the style this vivid in a while.
I rebel cause I'm a rebel. My education and rhythm is on a higher level. Smash to the dust settle.
Like that, y'all. So go ahead and get out.